If Gohan fights with Cell, he's going to die!
Listen, Gohan has a power hidden within him that you or I can't even begin to imagine. Don't you realize that he's been keeping up with the rest of us ever since he was just a little boy? I can remember back when I was his age, I wasn't half as strong as he is.
Hey, who's the kid?
This is Gohan.
Gohan?
I'll teach you everything. You'll learn to be just like me. I'll make that kid stronger than all of us. I can feel that you have truly amazing hidden power. Wow, he did it. My son is a Super Saiyan. Nothing is holding Gohan back now. He's finally learned how to tap into his power at will. Now's your chance! Gohan, I'm so proud of you.
お前たち何者だ。
ゴハン、見せてくれ、本当の力を。
Faces, yeah, that's when I start to get anxious. That's when my thoughts can be dangerous. That's when I put on my makeup and try to show people what I'm saying.